Why was the driver involved in the deadly crash that killed a food delivery rider in Karachi's DHA released on bail, and what does has the panic reaction been? Police in Karachi Defense Housing Authority area have released a car driver who was involved in a fatal road accident that claimed the life of a young food delivery rider. The crash happened when a speeding vehicle collided with the rider's motorcycle in DHA, and the delivery worker died from his injuries. After initial arrest, the driver was released on surety, meaning he was let go after someone provided a legal guarantee on his behalf. Police say this step followed routine procedure and that they registered an FIR under relevant section of the law before releasing him. Authorities also said that the case would process through the court and that investigations are still ongoing. News of his release has sparked strong reaction online and among local communities. Many residents and road safety advocates are upset, saying that letting the driver go so quickly stand dangerous message about accountability for traffic deaths, especially in a city where reckless driving and a fatal accident have become common. Food delivery riders who navigate Karachi's busy streets daily are already among the most vulnerable road users. Without protective barriers like those in cars, even minor collisions can be life-threatening. Critics urge that the rising incidence of releasing driver highlight a deeper problem with enforcement of traffic laws and public safety measures in the city. Police maintain that the legal process is being followed and that is it up to the court to decide that the driver is guilty or innocent. They say they have urged that the citizen allowed the judicial system to take its course and have reassured that the investigation will continue. However, activists and delivery riders groups are calling for stricter penalties and better enforcement, saying changes are needed to protect riders and all vulnerable road users. They urge that the traffic crash should not be treated lightly and that justice must be seen to done. In simple terms, this case reflects wider concerns about road safety in Karachi, where deadly crash happen too often and where public pressure is building for stronger laws, better enforcement, and more accountability when lives are lost on the roads.